Swaminarayan. Today we learn the same chapter, grammar topic tenses. In that topic, I already completed present tense. Then we go ahead past tense. Among that past, we completed that simple past tense. Now go ahead next past continuous tense. First we see the rules of it as usual. To indicate an action that was happening at some time in the past. First of all, we describe or we indicate action which has or which already happening in past. The time of action may or may not be indicated. That means the time of that action may or may not be indicated. That is possible. But that action completely happened in the past. That things we know, and that action we saw while using this past continuous tense. Example, we are watching TV the whole evening. As the same, this action we can use in the past. We were watching TV in the whole evening. So these actions are happening now. The same action you want to show that is in past. At that time, what you want to do here, just change the word. Only this word, change the time of the action. When you show, that is only evening given, not particular time is given here. But if you change these things, that go into the past. As the same, another rules, use with always. Look, we do not use only always, continually, that type of words in simple present tense. But here we can use that things also in past. Use with always, continually, etc. for persisting habits in the past. To show that habit happening in the past continuously, at that time we use this kind of words to show that action. Example, he was always shocking. So that action happened in the past, that's why we use always here. Then another rules, the past continuous is also used for an action that was going on during a given period or at a period of time in the past. Look, this is very important things here. Past continuous always used for an action that was going on during a given period or at a period of time in the past. जो past में होता है, जो पहले हो चुका है उसके लिए, और जो पर्टिकुलर past में स्पेसिफिक टाइम में होता है उस समय भी हम इसका यूज करेंगे. Like example, while Rohan was filling in the hall, his dog was digging another. Look, while Rohan was filling and the same time another action. उस टाइम उस पीरियड में एक दूसरी एक्शन भी हुई थी. वो क्या है? His dog was digging another. One that he was filling that hole, his dog was digging the another. So two action together in some period. It is already in past. Both action past में ही होती है, लेकिन दोनों क्या है, साथ में होती है. दोनों का हम यूज करेंगे continuous tense में using was plus ing. Next, rules for affirmative sentences. Here we see the affirmative sentences के रूल कौन से है. सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट हो तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे, was, first form of the verb ing, that is compulsory. First form of the verb like eat, dance, then speak, write, that all root form. We add ing after this, and then plus dash, that is object. The same things here, plural subject. was के place पे क्या यूज करना है, were. First form of verb ing and object. Other things remain as it is, just change was and were. That is for singular and plural changes. Then example, she was driving her car. They were making a noise. So was, where, ing, you can see the things here. Rules for negative sentences. Now if you want to make negative sentence in this tense, what you will do, look at here. Singular subject was, plural subject were, then not common, not root form plus ing plus object. So was were के बाद का जो है स्ट्रक्चर वो हमें सेम रखना है, रिमेन एज इट इज. जस्ट सिंगुलर प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट चेंज होगा, लाइक शी, दैट इज सिंगुलर. फॉर was we use they, that is plural, that's why we use were. After that we use only between two word, we use not here, that become negative sentence of the past continuous tense. Now we will see the rules for interrogative with the examples. Rules of interrogative sentences in past continuous tense. Example of negative sentence in past continuous tense. She was not singing a song. They were not eating mangoes. So I put not here in singular as well as plural. So you can see the example of it. Now we go ahead. Rules for interrogative sentences. Was were first subject, either plural or singular. First form of verb ing, object question mark. Do not forget to put question mark at the end of that sentence. Then next formation of the same interrogative, question word, was were, first form of verb ing, object question mark. So as the same question word, wh question word we use here. So yes no type question, wh word question, both format here. Look at here. Example, were you eating a mango? Then why was the blind man crying? So here wh word and word, yes no both example you can see. Furthermore, when were the milkman milking the cow? So this is the interrogative sentence using wh. Now in this sentence I use not also. So interrogative plus negative possible. How? When were the milkman not milking the cow? So here we put just not. As the same here is also the things happen. Were you not eating a mango? Why was the blind man not crying? So before verb we put not if we want to make it negative. Now after this all the rules is finished here. Before going to start this next, I just inform some things, that is past continuous tense. We learn here uses, which is we shows the past actions described happening in past. If in that past time, that is continue, but in past not any connection to our present. That different, if there is different things going on past में जो होती है एक्शन पास्ट में चल रही होती है, अभी उसका कोई कनेक्शन प्रेजेंट में नहीं है, एट दैट टाइम हमें ये यूज़ करना है. और हमें कैसे यूज़ करना है, फॉर्मेट भी यहाँ पे है. देन यू कैन सी सम ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स इज ऑल्सो हियर. हम 3 फॉर्मेट में देखते हैं, अफर्मेटिव, नेगेटिव, इंट्रोगेटिव. इंट्रोगेटिव में भी 2 पार्ट पड़ता है, नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव बोथ यहाँ पे आते हैं. आफ्टर दिस गो अहेड इन द सेम पास्ट टेंस द अनदर नंबर 3. प्रेजेंट हमने कंप्लीट किया, कंटिन्यूस भी किया है. अभी हमें आगे जाना है, उस आगे का टेंस है पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके, नाउ इन दिस टेंस यू कैन सी फर्स्ट यूजेस ऑफ इट to indicate an action that was completed before a definite time or before another action that took place in the past. It means the action was completed before particular time और definite time से पहले action complete हो गई है और उसी समय before another action और उसके बाद कोई दूसरी एक्शन है टुक प्लेस इन द पास्ट, पास्ट में हुई है, उसके पहले एक एक्शन खत्म हो गई है और एक एक्शन पास्ट में शुरू हुई और वो भी खत्म हो गई है। तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना होता है, दो एक्शन दिखानी है, एक है जो अभी पास्ट में हुई है और दूसरी एक्शन है जो पहले बिफोर सम टाइम फिनिश हो गई है। तो जो हम बिफोर सम टाइम फिनिश हो गई है वो एक्शन हमें परफेक्ट टेंस में दिखानी होती है। ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट examples, Manish reached here after you had gone. So this action is in past. Then after you had gone, this action, that is we saw perfect tense, that was completed before some time. ये पहुंचा, उसके पहले ये जा चुका था, तो ये एक्शन होने के पहले ये एक्शन हो चुकी है। That means was completed before definite time. ये टाइम दिखाता है और ये definite टाइम से पहले खत्म हो चुकी है। As the same second example, the patient had died before the doctor reached the hospital. डॉक्टर के आने से पहले क्या होता है, patient had died, वो मर चुका है। तो जो that patient had died, वो एक्शन हमें परफेक्ट में दिखानी है जो पहले खत्म हो गई है और उसी समय के तुरंत एक एक्शन है जो हुई है वो पास्ट में होती है, दैट इज द डॉक्टर रीच द हॉस्पिटल। तो यहाँ पे दो एक्शन हमें इंडिकेट करनी होती है, एक दिखाने के उसी समय हमें दूसरी जो कंप्लीट हो गई है वो भी दिखानी है। हम अकेले ये टेंस का इस्तेमाल बहुत रेयर करेंगे, दैट मीन्स वी रेयरली यूज दिस टेंस अलोन बिकॉज इट यूज्ड बाय यूजिंग सिंपल पास्ट टेंस। दोनों को साथ में मिला के यूज करना होता है। The next, it indicates desire in the past that have not been fulfilled. What the another rule said that? Desire, जो आपकी desire है, wishes है, जो past में finish नहीं हुई है, it was not completed. Then, or it have not, or it has not done. I wish, look at the example. I wish I had not wasted my time. सो हियर आपकी क्या इच्छा है कि आपने हैड नॉट वेस्टेड टाइम, आपने टाइम वेस्ट न किया होता तो कितना अच्छा होता। आई विश, मैं डिजायर करता, तो आपकी जो डिजायर है वो अभी की है, लेकिन आपकी डिजायर है, आपने डिजायर की है वो पहले का एक्शन के रिलेटेड है कि आपने पहले बहुत ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया है, तो आपकी इच्छा है कि आपने नहीं किया होता तो कितना अच्छा होता। तो ऐसी बहुत सारी ऐसी डिजायर होती है जो पास्ट में फुलफिल नहीं होती है, उसको भी हमें ये टेंस यूज करके दिखाना होता है, या हम दिखा सकते हैं। उसमें भी हमें फॉर्मेशन वो सब आप बाद में देखेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी यूज हैड वर्ब 3, दैट ऑल थिंग्स यू कैन सी इन फर्दर, or next time you can see the rules, then other format, structure and all the things. Keep in mind that this whatever we learned now, remember that all the rules with some examples and furthermore this tense also. Thank you.